Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kittle's Garage. I got an update for you guys. I got so many projects going on. The Jeep is over there. The Chevy, it just needs to be cleaned up and put up for sale. Jeep still needs a battery, but I have a surprise. There's something in that box that might go to something else. Alright, anyways, that's not today's project. Today's project is working on this. This is the relay for the wine fridge. Now, I talked to a guy at work and he accidentally informed me that it's possible the relay was being tripped because of the compressor. So hopefully that is not true. Hopefully I can pop in the new relay right here and get that going. I will not bore you with letting it run, because I'll let it run probably all night and see how that goes. And but anyways, for now, I want to give a shout out to two people, Brent and Alyssa. I believe they are some new viewers. I know they watched a couple of my videos. And let's get to this. All right. So, I don't need any tools, but this little thing right here goes down into these two little holes there. So, oh, actually, here, I got the flashlight. Let's see if the flashlight will help you. Oh, it's all blurry. What are you doing? Come on. There we go. Sorry about that. We won't do that again. Actually, I do need to do that again. Alright. So, this... Oh, and I didn't bore you guys. I did take some compressed air and blew all the crap out of this thing. So hopefully that'll help it too. So, that little doohickey is right there. Oh, push her on. She's on. That's plugged in. This plugs in right here. Kids, that literally is it. Only thing I need to do now is put the cover back on. There we go. Move the plug out of the way. Yeah, there we go. That slides in like Donkey Kong. So, oh, I gotta lay on the ground. I can't see the bottom of the clamp. Shoot. There we go. Hope everybody's enjoying their beautiful Monday evening. Holy crap. Get out of there. Alright. Can't get this thing back on. Shoot. Holy crap. YouTube sure makes this look easy. All I know, guys, is this better work. She clipped in. All right, kids. Next thing to do is to plug this in and see if she's gonna work. Let me put you on pause. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have good news. So, I got the new relay put in, and I've been listening for a while. And I do not hear it clicking. So, as of right now, this is great news. Now, let me show you. The left side of the refrigerator, because it's dual refrigerators, the left side is at 69, and I have the temp set at 38. It's on. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there's the light's on, yay! And the right side is also at 69 degrees. And this one, the lowest it goes is like 58. Well, that's Fahrenheit. That light works. So I got 2 waters on each side, one on top, one on bottom, one on top, one on bottom, and let's see what this thing does. All right. Now we wait. Guys, I think that's all the videos I'm going to do today. That project is next. That just needs a good wash. And I think that's it for today. I appreciate you guys. Tell your friends, don't tell your friends. You know what to do. All right. I'll see some of you guys at work tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.